Good morning guys! Ang ating halaman ngayon ay itong tinatawag na Prince of Orange. And this is one of the rare plants in the philodendron variety. This colorful indoor plant is worthy of its royal name. Ang kanyang mga dahon ay mag-start sa color na orange. Then it will turn into bright light green foliage over time. This fast-growing philodendron is perfect houseplant for beginners. You only water it once a week. Ang kailangan niya ay bright but not directly sunny. Too much sun can damage this plant's delicate leaves and limit its growth potential. It is a non-climbing philodendron and it can be propagated by cuttings. Unlike many philodendron varieties, the Prince of Orange grows its vibrant leaves from its center rather than vines or stems. It prefers soil that is consistently slightly moist, especially if you want them to grow big leaves. Yan lang mga guys. Thank you for watching and follow for more.